Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to change out these stock bulbs and replace them with some LEDs. And just to let you guys know, these are white LEDs.
Let me show you guys what it looks like before. Yeah, so this is before and after. So like a lime green. 2 screws, one up there, here.
And once you guys pull it out, just be careful with the wire, and then unhook the wire harness from the bulb itself, and it should come off.
Alright, and just take it out. So take this out, you just twist it counterclockwise. There. See the tabs. Shit. So these LEDs are actually white, but the fog lights, they actually have this yellow glass inside. So with the white colored LED hitting the yellow glass, it's gonna turn out lime like you saw earlier.
If you guys want to go for that all white look, you can actually get some other fog lights that are clear, that doesn't have the yellow glass, and yeah, just white LED fog lights. Alright, then you get the LED bulb and you just line up the 3 tabs with the 3 tabs that are on the fog light housing, and just insert it and twist it clockwise. Alright, and once you hear a click, just lift it up and make sure it's snug fit, and you should be good.
It's a plug and play, so you plug this side in to this. You know, just tuck the wire in the back. Should be a lot of room here. And oh yeah, another thing is with AuxBeam, when you click it, well, when you put inside connect it to the harness, you actually don't hear a click. It's weird, but just, you know, press it in as much as you can until, you know, you don't feel it going anymore, and it should be good. Alright, and once you connect it, you see back there, there's a lot of room in here. I really don't give a fuck, so, you know, I'm just gonna push it in and line up the holes. Alright.
And lastly, follow the exact same steps for the other side.
Alright, everything turns on. So it kind of looks like lime green. Sorry, it's kind of bright, but yeah. Also, there's a fan running in the back of the LED, so it's just a slight hum. Can't hear it in the car, obviously, but...
No shit!
Yeah. working, it's doing its job. Right, and I'll leave the link if you guys want to get your hands on this. Got it on Amazon by AuxBeam. Yeah, it's pretty legit.